Hello, it's April from April's Home, and today I'm here with an Ikea haul. I needed to stop in at Ikea and pick up a few things that I needed around the house, and I also found a few other really fun little items to add to my house's decor, so I thought that I would go ahead and share with you all of the things that I found at Ikea today. The first thing I was looking for was a new casserole dish, so I found a really nice one here. It's a basic white one. It looks just like this, and it is, let's see, 15 by 10.5 inches. So it'll be really nice for different casseroles and things like that. And then I also spotted this pan while I was there. I wasn't in the market for a pan like this, but this looked like it would be really great for lasagnas and things like that. It's also nice that it has a little baking rack in the bottom if you want to use it for a roast as well. So it looked like a really good all-purpose pan, and it was, I think it was only $9.99, which is a pretty good price for a pan like this. So a couple of things for the kitchen. I also picked up a new wooden spoon, and then also this little set here was on clearance for 50 cents, so it comes with a little fork, a flat spatula, and another spoon. I like to refresh mine from time to time, so I thought I would pick that up. And then one thing I really needed was silverware. We have lost a bunch of our silverware. Not sure if it's accidentally getting thrown away or just getting old. So sometimes I think it's getting caught in the garbage disposal, and so we've had to throw away some over the years. We've had our silverware for many, many years, almost 20 years, so thought it was time to pick up some new ones, and we spotted these at Ikea. They were very reasonably priced, and they came in a bunch of different sizes. So I got this size of spoon here, sort of a longer handled dessert spoon, and then regular spoons just to have extra on hand. I use these little tiny spoons as tasting spoons when I'm cooking like a sauce or a soup and I want to test the seasonings. I like to have a little cup with a bunch of these spoons in the cup to use for tasting. And then this is the main big set that kind of matches it all. It has a couple sizes of spoons and forks and knives. They were really sturdy and very reasonably priced, so we picked up that silverware. And this is something I haven't had for a while, a little pie server, so I picked up the matching pie server as well as the matching serving spoon and serving fork. I have plenty of serving spoons, but I thought it would be nice to have at least one that matched the main set of silverware. So that'll definitely be nice to refresh my silverware in my kitchen. We also picked up this little outlet extender here, just something that we needed around the house. And I picked up this little soap dispenser for my kitchen. I thought it would be nice to try out a different one. I have had some plastic ones that break pretty frequently, so this time I decided to try a glass one, and we'll see how well that works. And then something I wasn't planning on buying but definitely caught my eye. I love cactuses, and there was this really cute 3-pack of cactus, little ceramic cactuses. So I picked up that. I was really excited to be able to work that into my decor. I have a few other cactus items that I purchased during the summer, and so I think that these will go along nicely with those. And then my daughter needed lighting above her vanity in her room. Her room is a little bit dark, and she has a difficult time getting nice lighting for her makeup. So this is actually a light that we're going to mount above her mirror. Kind of sticks out along the side, and the lights are, you can position them. So we will go ahead and try that and see how that works out. Then one thing that I was there specifically to get are these little organization boxes. They look like this. They have the little riveted ends, and you just pop them together. They're cardboard. They were on clearance for $1.99 a box. So I got a bunch of those to organize some things in my bedroom. And then this is our sheet set that we use for our bedding. It is a really pretty dark turquoise color, which is definitely my favorite color. My dog, from time to time, will try to dig a nest in our bed, and it's really unfortunate because she rips our sheets in the process, which is a very expensive bad habit. We do try to keep her from getting on our bed when we're not around, but occasionally she sneaks in and makes a big hole in our bedding. So it was time to get a new set, and I was really happy that they still had my favorite color. Then another item for the dog. She had a bunch of toys. She got some toys for Christmas, and she had some previously, and she leaves them all around the house, and I like to keep them gathered, and I often will put them in my bedroom, but the basket that she previously had was also a little bit old and wasn't really holding all of her toys. So we got this cute little basket here, and I will show you how this collapses. It's really cute. So you can either have it upright like this, or you can collapse this down in, and then it's just a little basket like that. So the handles just kind of sit down in there. So I could use it either way. but I really love the shape of it when it's popped out like this. I thought that that was really nice, and I definitely hope to get back and get more of these for other organization projects. This was their last one that they had at my Ikea, but they did say that they thought that they would be restocking those. So I was excited to get one of those. And then they had some new colors of the little lamb skins. I keep the white ones on my furniture in the dining room, and I really love how they hold up, and they're just so nice. So when I saw that they had gray, which is the color of my living room furniture, I decided to pick up a gray one. And then also they had this sort of light tan brown one that I thought was also really pretty, and I thought that this would look really nice in my bedroom. So I picked up that one as well. They also had black and dark brown, which might be colors that I go back for in the future. So those are definitely some of my favorite items to pick up at Ikea. And then I wanted to bring home a new plant. I wanted to plant a new plant in my dining room, a nice tall one. So I got this plant here, and then I also bought it came separately. So I purchased this pot to go with it. This matches the pots that I use for my orchids in my kitchen, but it's a little bit larger and perfect for this plant. And I'm really excited to add this to my dining room. And then lastly, I picked up a couple trays of cinnamon rolls for breakfast. I really enjoy their cinnamon rolls with a cup of coffee, so I was excited to bring some of those home. We hadn't been to Ikea in quite a few months, so I was definitely excited to get some cinnamon rolls. They smelled really good in the store when I was leaving, so picked up some of those, and I'm really, really happy with all the items that I picked up for the house. Lots of new items to refresh things for January. So that is my Ikea haul. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at everything I found at Ikea today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe for more videos from April's Home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.